Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind to the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside the palms to return, to accumulate, to understand what was your experiences so that you can share it. So once you are aware fully with eyes open inside the palms, bring the hands down. We will understand, we'll share our experiences. Now, how are you, Stephen? Where is your niece? Oh, sorry, nephew. Yeah.
I don't know.
Very
I don't know where Sam is. I'm just in complete peace. Just very settled, absorbed. No thoughts. Calm. And it's good. Feel good.
good. You see that you all heard. Now convert his expression in these three forces. He said calm, coming from the knowledge, that is an activity. Then again there is a pause, inertia. Did you see that? Inertia, expression, knowledge is guided. Knowledge is guiding both inertia and the activity. That is the secret of karma yoga. So we have to go to that subtler level. Are you getting it? What I'm saying? That's subtler. It means that I have to live into that level of awareness. How are you, David and Jerry?
Thank you. Very, very good meditation. I love the pendulum analogy and the inertia discussion at the beginning. The fast breathing for me was, I struggled a little bit. I was, so finally I just let go. And for the rest of my meditation, I was just at peace, and I just felt this oneness on everything. There was no, I heard all your words, there was no attachment or any thoughts or anything. It was very, very deep, calming, and quiet.
Beautiful. What a beautiful state. Beautiful. How are you, Jerry?
Good, sir. Thank you. The meditation tied right back to the lesson with the activity, and then the mantra. There was that opposing, there was that constant.
Yeah.
And the activity and the inertia, there was that pendulum, like David was saying. And it reminds me of when I was in nursing, when I worked emergency. And we were so well trained that when the emergency came in, we just did what we needed to do. And it wasn't like, you didn't take a second to go read the book or anything like that, right? You just applied the knowledge. And it's the same thing in our daily living. We just apply this knowledge, and then we know what to do.
Beautiful. Yeah, she rightly said knowledge applied in activity, knowledge applied in inertia. Oh, I have taken care of this patient, so let me now calm down. Done what needs to be done. That is beautiful. How are you, Vaibhav?
So I'm good. It's like there was a distance between me and the thought and the body. So in that case, what was happening that whenever something new is also coming, na, I feel it's okay. It's a new thing. It's a new information, and I can accept it and then come back to my original state.
Yeah,
So it was calm. It was relaxing and peaceful.
beautiful. Because his mind is approaching this meditation totally in a different way, but that makes a sense. Yeah, that makes a sense. That is the role of a guru. The teacher says, no, you have to follow like me. You should have this experience. That's a beautiful. How are you, Brandy?
Good morning. I'm okay, thank you. I admit I'm still, well, I'm not still, I'm in a phase where I'm really identifying a lot with the mind and the body, but what's really useful during the meditation with combined with the lesson today is that I realized that I have a really majestic mind because I've been pretty physically inert in my transition, and that's where I'm kind of out of balance. I need to like stretch and go for a walk because I think that if I could, to calm my mind down, I need to get my body moving a little. So I had that realization, which I think will be helpful. But Jeree, I was thinking about what you said. There was a TED Talk that I saw flip up the other day. It was a DR trauma doctor, and she was talking about she never uses the phrase crazy busy, and she basically described what we're talking about. She's like, because we go in and we have a system, triage, and she was like, and that's how you need to handle your stress. I'll see if I can find it and send it to you because I think it really relates to what you said.
Yeah. That's a beautiful. Understand simply that principle of inertia. You see that, can you maintain your awareness while speaking? Inertia, that is a pause. Activity, that is an expression. But both are guided by the knowledge, not by the unconscious, habitual, impulsive, instinctive mind. You are already doing Karma Yoga. That is what he explained. How are you, Terry? I don't hear you. I don't hear you. In the meantime, let me. Yeah. Sure. Yes. Ashok, yeah.
Obviously, I'm having a little tough breathing, so the meditation helps me to bring some calmness into my body, and that helps me to achieve some clarity about the lesson, which I
Yeah.
found
I see.
very. I really appreciate this lesson.
Very good. I appreciate your mind who has accepted this lesson.
Yeah,
Yes.
I want to say more, but I can't.
No. Need not to be. I can see your body remain totally steady during
But
the entire.
now it's shaking. So
Yeah.
I
Now it is shaking.
achieve balance. I'll stop.
So if our awareness, or you can say if our mind is totally absorbed in the knowledge, that pendulum will move to the middle. It will not go to the activity. It will not lead to unconsciousness. And I can say that will help you transcend these symptoms.
Thank you.
But we have to work. Keep on working.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. How are you,
Cheers.
Rakesh?
Go ahead.
Rakesh, how are you?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, it was stillness or body distance, whatever we call it, and the the mantras in the emptiness throughout. So very deep, very soothing.
Good. Very good, very deep. That's really good. Body was totally still. Inertia. You see, in meditation, these three forces are always at work. So we have to redefine what is stillness, what is silence. That we are going to do in the following session. So are you anesthesia?
Thank you very much for this lesson. And practice. It's very helpful. It's really important for me to find and understand this balance. And I was feeling like in between feel and didn't feel my body. And today I saw a bunch of different faces, like one face changed to another, and it was very deep and calm.
Very deep and calm. Very good. That's good. How are you, Ashok?
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, sir.
Very peace and calm, sir, and very good analogy used. You use always, new concepts, new things, so that's very good. So,
Because
thank
yes,
you.
we have to reach to the highest. So I start explaining first at the physical level, then mind, then subtler level of the mind, then ultimate concept. Because huh? if I
Yes.
explain the highest one, it will not be able to. Your mind will oppose it.
Mhm.
So you are right. Yes, you are right. So any question? Thank you. We'll meet again on Thursday. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, everyone. Namaste, everyone.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste.